Hey everybody, guess what? I finally got my coupons. I finally was able to do the Huggy and Johnson & Johnson deal. I don't know why I call it Johnson & Johnson. This is Johnson Baby. But I'm here to show you guys the breakdown of what I did. Now, I have a Pick and Save, which Pick and Save is a affiliate with Kroger. So you guys can go to the Kroger's website. You guys can search what stores would be near you. It could be Pick and Save, it could be Kroger. There's a ton of other stores, but I'm excited to show you guys this deal. I love stocking up on diapers and baby stuff because I have a lot of friends that are getting pregnant, and this is great stuff to give them for baby showers. So what I ended up getting is I got the Huggies diapers. These were $7.99, okay? I got the baby wipes. These were $1.99, and then all the Johnson's Baby was $3.99, okay? So what I ended up doing is that I bought 3 packs of diapers in one transactions. I bought 2 packs of the wipes. If you guys can see, I got 2 packs of wipes. And then I bought 4 of the Johnson's Baby stuff. So I used 3 $2 off coupons in the $2.25 Smart Source for the diapers. I used $1 off a 2 coupon for the baby wipes in the $2.25 Smart Source. And then I used 2 of the buy one get one free coupons that were in the $3.11 Red Plum for the Johnson Baby. So the total before coupons comes out to be $43.91. After coupons, you guys would pay $28.93. But then you guys will receive a $10 Catalina for spending $40 or more. And then you guys also get a $5 Catalina for spending $25 on the Huggies. So there's those 2 items right there. I was going to get the Vino baby stuff, but my store was sold out. So you guys will receive that $5 Catalina and the $10 Catalina. You guys can roll this, so you guys can basically buy the same items again, but you can use both of these Catalinas. And if you guys roll it, you guys will pay $3 or $13.93, but then you'll receive a $15 Catalina. So you'll receive another one of those and another one of those. So if you add both transactions, it comes to $27.86 is what I actually paid out of pocket. If you guys really think about it for the Catalinas. So we got 18 items. Every item comes out to be $1.55, which I think is a great deal. Especially diapers, you cannot get that cheap. And then the Johnson stuff, usually it's very rare to get it for $1.55 a piece. So I was pretty proud of this. If you guys need to do this deal, go for it. If you guys don't have babies, this is a great thing to like stock up on, and you know, you can give it to somebody who does it. But I don't know how long my kid's going to be in diapers for, but that's why I got a size 1 so we can give that away. But I could not go wrong with this deal. So $27.86 for 18 items, $1.55. So I'm going to probably see what other coupons I have and maybe roll some more. This deal goes on till I think next Wednesday. Today is Wednesday the 14th, so I think this goes on until next Wednesday. So you just have to spend $40 of the marked baby stuff, and you guys got to spend $25 of the marked Huggies. Now, they did have the other ones, but those were $8.99. These were $7.99. So, I'm not picky on diapers. My kid just wears whatever we give him. But if you guys enjoyed this Pick and Save Kroger baby deal, please let me know. I try to show you guys these deals as much as I can. I do want to coupon more at Pick and Save. A lot of you guys want me to, but it's just kind of hard because, like, what sales I see people do, my area never really does those. So that's one thing that I kind of lack on. But give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.